VRS 2023 in military green. The contact points on this bike are the Vitus grips, they're very nice, very soft, and Tetra Aguriga, whatever that says, I don't know, brakes, but they're very nice and like very responsive brakes. Onto the forks, we have srsontour XCR forks, 120mm travel with adjustable rebound settings, and it has a front axle on the front. The gear setup is a Shimano DR, which is very fast and very smooth. The what is called?
You can just cut it.
Yeah, these are called.
Srsontour.
No.
Gears.
The cogs. Right, the cogs at the back are sunrays cogs, black, makes it look very stealth. The seat is a nuke-proof seat or saddle, nuke-proof bars, and a Vitus stem. Onto the wheels. The wheels are WTB wheels at 27.5mm and with a WTB Trail Boss 2.25-inch tyre. And at the front we have a WTB Vigilante at 2.3 inches wide, or millimetres, or whatever it is. Same at the front, 27.5-inch. The seat post is a Vitus seat post and a Vitus clamp. The cranks are Shimano Zeron cranks with the front chainring is a srsontour zigzag chainring, keeps that chain on nice and sturdy. To go with the cranks, we have DMR pedals which keep your rig glued to the pedals. That is most of the stuff on the bike, but to keep this turning here with an FSA headset just makes it a very smooth ride.